You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this stock or this abbreviation, this American technology company and brand. If you want to learn more brand names that are confusing, stay tuned. So let's look at the abbreviation, the name or the letters it is listed under in the NASDAQ. It's NVDA. NVDA. Now, the name of the company itself and the brand name is as Nvidia. Nvidia. So an N and Nvidia, not Nvidia, not Nvidia, rather Nvidia, or English pronunciation of the listed stock name, NVDA. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.